Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Purnima, and today we are back with an unboxing video for the Glamego box of this month, the June Glamego box. So yes, let's get to the unboxing. So as usual, the box is the same cardboard box, and the products are bubble wrapped. So let's get to the cards first. So the theme for this month is Extracts of Nature, Makeup and Beauty, June Glamego Box. So we have received 4 products this month, and the first product according to the card is CC cream of argan oil and Dead Sea minerals from Seasoul, which retails for $6.50. So let's break open the bubble wrap. So this is the CC cream, which is HD finish, complete coverage, corrector that's healthy, and it's with SPF 20 for all skin types, and it's a medium toned CC cream. So let me try and open this. So this is the tube, and let me, so it says medium. It's pretty thick. The consistency of the cream is pretty thick, and yeah, this is how it looks. It says medium, but as far as I can see, it is very thick and dark. So yes, it does suit my skin tone, but it's a shade darker, so maybe I can mix some moisturizer or something with it to use it. And we also have a card of how to use Seasoul CC cream. So depending on the consistency, you can either apply directly, or for thinner consistency, you can mix moisturizer and apply. So yes, exactly what I said. And it has a very muddy kind of a smell. So you know, the mud masks and multani mitti, that kind of a smell. So yes, this was the first product, and let's move to the second product. That's the anti-tan pedicure kit of Dead Sea Mud, again from Seasoul, which retails for 160 rupees. So let's see, which is this. So this is natural and organic SS Pro range Dead Sea Anti-Tan Spa Pedicure Kit. So it's for intensive healing tan removal series, and it's one-time use pedicure kit. So this contains Dead Sea mineral salts and mud Moroccan argan oil. And also you have the directions for use, which is a 5-step pedicure. And yes, you have 5 sachets inside. So one is a soak, and the next step is an exfoliator, then a massage cream, then a mud mask, and then a foot treatment. So it's a complete pedicure, but it's a one-time use pedicure kit. So the next product is shower gel of Carribean ginger from Kronokare. It's a deluxe size sample which retails for 110. So which is this. Right. Pretty pleasant smell. So yes, it's a 30 ml deluxe sample that we have received. I've always wanted to try Kronokare products, and yeah, finally I've got my hands on something, and it's a pretty very pleasant ginger fragrance, and it's pretty thick. So yes, do let me know if you'd like to have a review of this. And the next product according to the card is Glycerine soap Kronokare, again a deluxe size sample which retails for 85 rupees, which is this. So it's Provencal Lavender Raise the Bar Glycerine soap. So yes, Kronokare products are sulfate, paraben, silicone and mineral oil free. So one of the best natural products you can say. And let's see if I can open this. Yes. So this is again a deluxe size sample of the soap. So this is how the soap looks. It's a pretty pinkish kind of a soap. A normal soap smell. So yes, if you have seen my other videos, I'm all into glycerine soaps lately. So yes, I will give this a try, and do let me know about if you'd like to have a review of this as well. So yes, that's about the Glamego box for June, and let's see the total value of the box. The total value of the box is 1005 rupees. So yeah, that is a complete steal for you for just 199, because I got my subscription in the introductory offer. So now it is 299. So yes, for 199, 1005 rupees worth products is a complete steal for you. So yes, please do go ahead and click the link that I will be mentioning on the description box below if you'd like to get the June Glamego box for yourself. So yes, thank you so much for stopping by and watching the video, and do subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more unboxings and reviews. Thank you once again. Bye.